maybe the most important session of the Accelerator Workshop of Sustainable EDU Framework Policy Architecture is this session. The session dedicated to management and implementation. This session will cover all aspects of the other sessions in a new perspective and discussing and analyze the tools of implementation and management, and add new aspects related to the operational part of any initiative. Then the session management and implementation is the overview on the implementation and management of all operation aspects of a project. Although this session covers many different aspects, here we try to give an overview of the main aspects it will be dealt during this session. We divide mainly the session in two topics: management structures and activities. On the management structures, we will discuss the key partners, the agreements, and all the aspects related to the stakeholders of the initiative. Special, we will look at the financing aspect and the operational aspect. On the activity side, we will look to the infrastructure, to the process, and to the main stakeholders of the project: the students, the teachers, administrators, and other partners or other stakeholders. We will have a very important role in the different activities. Arriving to the value of the project, the digital readiness, the economic value, the social value, and many other aspects of the value of the project. Although this gives you an overview of the different parts we will talk about and we will analyze, this is a very wide field. And in this case, we invite you to look at the webcasts on the different aspects on this session and all the other sessions to give you a better understanding what this program is about. That said, in this session we have 4 themes. First, the operational plan, and this will be focused on the design of the different areas and different steps to implement a project. The second theme is the management structures. Sometimes this is one of the main challenges of the project, because different legal aspects, different responsibilities in different government institutions, we have to define the management structures at the different levels, etc. The other is the financial model, including the sources of financing, also the distribution in the different areas. And the last theme is evaluation. Not only the final evaluation of the project, but how we can implement evaluation at different steps and different levels and different moments of the project to help to manage the project, to implement the project, and to give credibility to the project. Just a final note on this webcast. This webcast is part of an accelerator workshop as a pillar of Sustainable EDU Policy Framework Architecture, a program to support the design and implementation of ICT education projects. Please feel free to visit the website of the program. The link is below in this slide, or contact us by email. It will be a pleasure and an honor to contact to get your feedback and even to establish a partnership to support any ICT education project. Thank you.